Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know that feeling, right? You're stoked about an upcoming trip? Maybe it's a family vacation you've been planning, a business trip to finally seal that deal, or maybe it's just a much-needed getaway to somewhere new. Whatever the reason, that feeling of excitement makes all the little annoyances of travel worth it. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be annoying? What if I told you that the actual process of getting to your destination could be, dare I say, enjoyable? That's right, we're talking about hacking the airport experience. We're gonna peel back the layers of stress and uncover the secrets to making your travel day a breeze. So buckle up, because in this video, I'm sharing my top 10 airport hacks that will transform you from a frazzled flyer into a travel pro. We're going to cover everything from packing like a minimalist ninja to breezing through security faster than a TSA agent can say, "Shoes off." Alright, let's kick things off with the most essential airport hack of all time: online check-in. This isn't just some optional extra, it's your golden ticket to a smoother travel experience. Bypass those monstrous check-in lines and avoid the stress. Online check-in is your way out of this madness. Most airlines offer online check-in 24 hours before your flight. All you need is your confirmation number and internet. Get your digital boarding pass and skip the line. Flash it at security and head straight to your gate. Online check-in gives you back precious time. Embrace the power of online check-in and thank me later. Alright, now that you've mastered the art of online check-in, let's talk about everyone's favorite travel topic: packing. I used to be one of those guys who packed for every possible scenario. But after countless trips and enough baggage fees to fund a small island nation, I finally saw the light. Packing light is the key to a stress-free travel experience. Less to carry, less to worry about, less to lose. It's a win-win-win situation. So how do you become a master of minimalist packing? It's all about strategy. First, ditch the what-if mentality. Focus on packing versatile items that can be mixed and matched. And this is where my next-level packing hack comes in: packing cubes. They compress your clothes, keep everything organized, and make finding things in your suitcase a breeze. Another pro tip: roll your clothes instead of folding them. This not only saves space, but also helps prevent wrinkles. Remember, packing light is not about depriving yourself, it's about prioritizing what's truly essential for your trip. Alright, let's talk about staying hydrated on the go. We all know that airport prices can be outrageous. Want a sandwich that costs more than your first car? No problem, they've got you covered. A bottle of water that magically transforms into liquid gold once it passes through security? You bet! But fear not, my thirsty travelers, because I've got a hack for you. The empty water bottle trick. Instead of shelling out your hard-earned cash for overpriced airport water, bring your own empty water bottle through security. The TSA allows empty reusable water bottles through the checkpoint. Once you're through security, you'll find water fountains strategically scattered throughout the terminal. Simply fill up your bottle for free and voila! You've got yourself a refreshing drink without emptying your wallet. Not only will you save money, but you'll also be doing your part for the environment by reducing plastic waste. It's a win-win situation that'll make you feel good inside and out. So ditch the overpriced airport water and embrace the power of the empty water bottle trick. Let's be real. We live in a world ruled by our devices. Our phones are our lifelines, our entertainment centers, and sometimes our only source of sanity. But all that scrolling, streaming, and selfie taking can drain a battery faster than you can say, "Do you have a charger I can borrow?" That's why a portable charger is an absolute must-have for any traveler. We're talking about a compact, lightweight device that can breathe life back into your dying phone, tablet, or even your noise-canceling headphones. Imagine this: you're stuck on a long flight with no outlets in sight, your phone is about to die, and you're desperate for some in-flight entertainment. But wait, you remember you packed your trusty portable charger? Crisis averted. Trust me, a portable charger is an investment you won't regret. Alright, let's talk about airport fashion. Or should I say, airport comfort. Because let's be real, nobody looks good when they're uncomfortable. I've seen it all. People teetering in sky-high heels, sweating it out in skin-tight jeans, even wearing full-on suits like they just stepped out of a board meeting. Listen, I get it. We all want to look somewhat presentable when we travel. But at what cost? Is it really worth sacrificing comfort for the sake of a fleeting moment of airport chic? I'm gonna go with a hard no on that one. Traveling is already stressful enough without adding uncomfortable clothing to the mix. Think breathable fabrics, stretchy pants, and shoes that you can actually walk in. And for the love of all that is holy, avoid anything that requires a belt, buckles, or excessive zippers. Remember, the goal is to arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to go, not like you just survived a fashion obstacle course. So ditch the uncomfortable attire and embrace the beauty of traveling in comfort. Alright, you've checked in online, packed like a pro, and you're dressed for maximum comfort. Now it's time to tackle the granddaddy of all travel challenges: staying entertained on the flight. Let's face it, flights can be boring. You're trapped in a metal tube, hurtling through the air at hundreds of miles per hour, with nothing but the hum of the engine and the occasional screaming baby to keep you company. But fear not, fellow travelers, because I've got the ultimate weapon against in-flight boredom: your entertainment arsenal. We're talking about the holy trinity of travel entertainment: movies, music, and books. But here's the catch. Don't rely on the airline's questionable selection or patchy Wi-Fi. Take matters into your own hands and download everything before you go. Download those movies you've been meaning to watch, create a playlist that will fuel your wanderlust, and stock up on enough podcasts to last you to the moon and back. And for all you bookworms out there, download some ebooks or audiobooks. There's nothing quite like getting lost in a good book while soaring above the clouds. By downloading your entertainment in advance, you're in control. Alright, let's talk about loyalty, and I'm not talking about your favorite brand of coffee or that one airline you swore you'd never fly again after that last delay. I'm talking about frequent flyer programs. These programs are like the secret society of travel, offering a world of perks and privileges to those who know how to play the game. Now I know what you're thinking, Casey, I only travel a few times a year. Is it really worth signing up for all these programs? The answer is a resounding yes. Even if you're not a jet-setting globetrotter, joining frequent flyer programs can still score you some sweet benefits. First and foremost, you earn miles. Every flight, every hotel stay, even every car rental can rack up those precious miles, which can be redeemed for free flights, upgrades, and other travel goodies. So do yourself a favor. Sign up for all the programs that align with your travel habits, and start reaping the rewards of your loyalty. Let's be real, airport terminals can be chaotic. They're crowded, noisy, and often filled with the faint scent of desperation and stale pretzels. But fear not, fellow travelers, because I'm about to let you in on a little secret airport lounges. These havens of peace and quiet are like oases in the desert of airport chaos. They offer a respite from the crowds, a sanctuary for weary travelers, and a chance to actually relax and recharge before your flight. One option is to purchase a day pass. Many lounges offer day passes for a fee, which can be a worthwhile investment if you have a long layover, or just need a break from the madness. Another option is to sign up for a credit card that offers lounge access as a perk. Once you're inside, you'll be greeted with a world of amenities. Think comfortable seating, complimentary snacks and beverages, free Wi-Fi, and even showers in some cases. So, next time you're facing a long layover or just need a break from the airport chaos, treat yourself to the luxury of an airport lounge. Alright, let's talk about documents. Staying organized is crucial when navigating airports. Passports, boarding passes, visas, keep them handy. Don't fumble through your belongings. Use a travel wallet or clear folder. Make digital copies and store them in the cloud. Save time and stress with a designated system. Let's face it, airlines don't always play fair. Flights get delayed, canceled, or overbooked, leaving passengers stranded and frustrated. But before you let those travel woes get the best of you, remember this: knowledge is power. Knowing your rights as a passenger is crucial, especially when things go wrong. Airlines often try to downplay their responsibilities or offer minimal compensation, hoping that passengers will simply accept their fate, but you don't have to be one of those passengers. For example, did you know that in the event of a significant delay or cancellation, you are entitled to certain amenities, such as meals, accommodation, and even transportation to and from the airport? By knowing your rights and standing up for yourself, you can level the playing field and ensure a smoother, less stressful travel experience. So there you have it, folks. My top 10 airport hacks to transform you into a travel pro. Remember, the key to a smooth and enjoyable airport experience is all about being prepared, staying informed, and embracing a few simple hacks along the way. From mastering the art of online check-in to packing like a minimalist ninja, we've covered it all. But most importantly, remember to relax and enjoy the journey. After all, Traveling is about exploring new places, experiencing different cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So go out there, embrace the world with open arms, and never let the stress of airport travel get you down. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.